We are talking about transformations of quadratic functions, and we want to graph quadratic functions in standard form. Determine whether a graph has a minimum value or a maximum value from the value of a. So right now, we're going to focus on calculating the axis of symmetry. So this function over here is g of x. And we can see that the function does open down. So this is concave down. Our a value here is -2. So the a value is equal to -2. So that's concave down. Now we want to be able to find what the equation is for this axis of symmetry, which we already have as x is equal to -3/4, but we want to be able to calculate it. So axis of symmetry in the axis of symmetry is equal to x equals -b over 2a. So we're going to write our formula, things that have to stay no matter what. We're going to have the divide sign, we're going to have the 2, and we're going to have the negative. Those things are going to stay. Doesn't matter what's in the equation. Now in this case, our b value is equal to -3. So we have to substitute in the -3 for b. And then our a value is -2. So we have to substitute in a -2. So when we do that, negative times a negative is +3. 2 times -2 is -4. And we like to have our negative in the numerator or out front, so I'm going to just rewrite it one more time. -3 over 4. So -3 over 4 is the x for this parabola over here. And we can see that's -5, so there's 1, so that's just a little bit inside. And so that matches what we came up with there. Okay, next one, same thing. Still calculating the axis of symmetry. So axis of symmetry, a little easier to write that than axis of symmetry. And my pen run out of ink. So the equation for that is still the same when we're calculating the axis of symmetry. So we have x equals -b over 2a. Again, the things that stay always are the negative, the divide sign, and the 2. Those will never change. And our b value in this case is still -3. So b is equal to -3. So I'm going to substitute in a -3. And the a value is equal to 2. So substitute in a 2 in the denominator. And then we get x equals negative times negative is positive, so that becomes 3 over 4. So that's 3 over 4, x equals 3 over 4. So that's our line of symmetry right there. Now, same thing over here. Our a value is going to dictate if it is concave up or concave down. So here our a value is 2. That's positive. So that's going to be concave up, as you can see, because the a value is positive.